Hello, dear students. How are you all? So, let's discuss in this video again the pair of angles. If you haven't seen my first part of pair of angles, you can watch that one. So, I'll be discussing questions in this video. Let's take a look. So, ready? Let's get started. So, in this exercise, we are discussing how to find the missing angles using the pair of angles. So we see complementary angles. If you have seen my previous video, so we were talking about complementary angles. Two angles that sum up to 90 degrees are complementary. Then you talk about supplementary angles. So if A degrees plus B degrees is 180 degrees, that's supplementary. And then you have vertically opposite angles, they are equal. And then you have angles on a straight line, that is supplementary anyways. Okay, so we discussed all of it in the last video. Now let's do related questions. Okay, question 1 is, see, you need to find the value of the pronumeral a. In that you see the diagram. So you see A degrees and 40 degrees together is right angle. Yeah, it's making right angle. So I should do 90 degrees minus 40 degrees, which is 50 degrees. So that's my value of A. That's it, because if 40 plus something is 90, so just minus it from 90. Now for part B, it is on the straight line, so the sum should be 180 degrees. So you should so 120 and 8 degrees together make 180 degrees. So 8 degrees should be 180 minus 120 degrees, which is 60 degrees. So that's my missing angle. Easy. Then for part C, this is full revolution. Okay, full revolution. So in this you see the three parts, this 8 degrees and 160 degrees. This symbol here means it's 90 degrees. This is a popular drawing that we do to show 90 degree angle. So if one of the angle is 90, other one is 160, I want the remaining one. So I should be plussing 90 and 160 first, which is 250 degrees, and then minus it from 360 degrees, because full revolution is 360 degrees. So A degrees should be 360 minus the sum of the other two, 360 minus 250, so which is 110 degrees. So that's my third angle. Okay, all right, good. Let's move on. Okay, let's see more questions. In question 2, we'll do first two questions in this video. In question 2, again it's mentioning, right, without using a protractor. You can measure the angle using protractor, but they're saying you calculate it mathematically using pairs of angles. So here in part A, it's 90 degrees. So what do we do to find the missing angle? You minus from 90. So that's 60 degrees. So the missing angle is 60 degrees. Now part B is again a right angle. See, it's making a perfect L shape. So A degrees, we have to minus the 75 degrees from 90. So A degrees is equals to 90 degrees minus 75 degrees, which is 15 degrees. Good enough. Then let's see part C. This one is a straight line. Okay, it's making a straight line here, so it should be 180 degrees. So if you want to find the missing angle, you minus from 180 degrees, so which is 45 degrees. Then it's 135 degrees. So on a straight line, whenever you see a straight line, you minus from 180 degrees. Now for part D, it's A degrees, again straight line, so minus from 180 degrees to find the missing angle. 180 degrees minus 110 degrees is 70 degrees. Now part E, this straight line has three angles, so A degrees, 50 degrees, and a right angle. What is this? This is 90-degree angle. So I should actually plus these two and minus from 180. So that's 90 plus 50 is 140 degrees, and then now you minus it from 180 degrees, because angles on a straight line together make 180 degrees. Now part F, they're vertically opposite angles. See, it's making a cross at a point, see, like this. So A, you don't need to minus anything, it's just 115 degrees. If this is 115 degrees, so as this, both of them are equal. In vertically opposite, we just see what is it opposite to, and then they are same. Don't minus from anything. Same thing with G. If this is 37 degrees, so as A is also 37 degrees. They are vertically opposite angles. Now part H, let's see real quick.